Well, Matt, I was in China last week at the Import Expo, and there was over 80 countries, over 2,000 companies, and over 100,000 delegates. So certainly there was very strong attendance at the International Expo. We were a sponsor of the Australian Pavilion and very proud to do so. And we signed 8 MOUs with major Chinese steel customers. So we actually saw a very robust environment and a robust economy. And actually we've just seen the October steel mill data come out, and we've seen annualised steel production for the month of October at close to 1 billion tonnes, and that's a record. So from a steel producer's perspective, we're seeing record steel production. Steel inventories aren't increasing, so that steel is actually being consumed, and that's very positive for us as an iron ore supplier to China.
Talk to us about those 8 MOUs that you signed off in China. Is it looking forward to this new different grade of iron ore that you're expecting to produce going forward after approving, of course, this new mine site in the Pilbara?
Well, no, Matt, those MOUs are actually for our existing products. So those were with customers who we've had long-standing relationships with, and that was a renewal and a commitment to our long-standing relationships. In terms of our new product, West Pilbara Fines, we will start shipping that from next month, so from December. But we've yet to sign those agreements. We're going to wait till we have that first shipment and we have our maiden customer for the product.
Elizabeth, I have to ask you, coming from an American perspective, certainly it's something that we've been talking about for months and months now, have been, of course, the potential for a larger trade war between the United States and China. How does that weigh on what you're projecting?
Well, we are still seeing that very strong steel production, so it is quite interesting. I don't think we yet fully know what the impact of the tariffs will be. Certainly, though, from our perspective, we're seeing those very strong conditions in the steel industry in China. China produces over 50% of global steel, very little in the way of exports directly to the US, so a lot of that steel is consumed domestically. So our expectation at the moment is that those strong conditions will continue. But it is fair to say that history has demonstrated if you have protracted periods of trade protectionism, then that will impact on the outlook for global growth. But we are seeing very strong conditions in China currently, and certainly the customers that we were talking to are still feeling very positive about their business.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.